Welcome to the Applied System Development course. We will cover Dr. Ken Long's basic principles and approach for swing and intraday trading systems and provide practical examples. Introduction. This is the Applied System Development course for swing and intraday trading systems. We will describe Dr. Ken Long's basic principles and approach to trading systems. What is a trading system? An example of a full trading system and its development. How to read the indicators and patterns. How to read the market conditions. How to plan your trades. How to prepare trades with manageable risks. How to manage your position sizing risks. What is the proper mindset to trade? How to enter and exit a trade. How to improve your trading results. Several practical examples from Dr. Ken Long's strategy podcast will be provided to further reinforce learning. The lessons will cover both concepts along with practical examples. Please note that several of the statistical concepts covered are for foundational understanding, and that for practical applications, the statistical equations are in the trading platforms as indicators. This is the course outline. First, an overview of the applied system development process for traders. Then a practical example, the Kata challenge system. This is taking the Kata challenge strategy to a full-blown system. This will provide you with a framework to develop your own trading system. Plan the trades, finding candidates to trade, and several of Dr. Ken Long's strategy podcasts is provided to further reinforce understanding. Prepare the trade, frame the trade, money management, mental readiness. Executing the trades, the various patterns and techniques, and assessing the trades, the after-action review and preparation for the next day trading. Then concluding remarks on future development activities. What is a trading system? This slide is a high-level view on developing a portfolio of trading systems. On the left, you have a portfolio of trading strategies that are 1. Tuned to your trading style, personality, and constraints, and ideally non-correlated strategies that are tuned to different market conditions, momentum, or volatility events. The Kata challenge strategy will be described, and you may have your own strategies as you follow along. The strategies on the left then go through the standard process of plan, prepare, execute, assess that will convert your trading strategies to a portfolio of trading systems with specific setup rules, entry, stops, exits, and risk management techniques. You will see the Kata challenge strategy become a Kata trading system. The assess process will provide you with a path for continuous improvement to your trading process and techniques. Thanks.